everyone, we are members of DSC IIIT Allahabad. In this ever-growing world with increased energy consumptions and fewer resources, it becomes immensely important to save the energy options for an everlasting future. We want you to be a carbon hero and save our planet and its people by becoming more responsible towards your carbon footprinting. We bring to you this application that lets you track your carbon footprint and helps reduce it by competing with your friends online. So let me show you how this works. We begin by signing into the application using our Gmail account. So let me choose my Gmail account. The application asks for the permission of accessing my Google contacts, so I am allowing them. And after a while, your profile screen is created and you can see your dashboard where you can see the total carbon emission you have done this month, the percentage change from the previous month and from yesterday. There is an Add CO2 Sources option from where you can choose different activities, give the input parameters and can see the footprint of your carbon emission. So let's add television. I have watched television for 2 hours, so I'm adding television. As soon as I submit some activity, my total carbon emission gets increased and my points are increased or decreased depending upon whether I have emitted carbon greater than the average value or less than the average value. Let's add one more activity, home appliances. I have used air conditioner for 4 hours and geyser for 2 hours. In the charts section, I can see the detailed analysis of all the activities from the previous month and this month and can see whether the activities have increased carbon emission or have decreased. This way I can plan my future activities through this detailed analysis and pictorial representation. In the leaderboard section, I can see the users who are using this application globally and see where I stand. Right now I am on the first position. On the profile screen I can see my global rank, the points that I have earned, and can see my friends in my Google contacts who are using this application. So I found 2 friends. So this way I can compete with others and in a way stipulate myself to reduce carbon emission in my daily routine. Thank you.